Hi friends, thanks for stopping by. Today's video is a summer clean and decorate with me. Hopefully this gives you a little cleaning motivation and some ideas and inspiration for your home decor. Let's get started. So I am starting here in my foyer, and as you see, I don't have a large foyer, and I pretty much keep it set up the same decor set up year round with a vase and some candles. But today I'm gonna swap those out and well, actually I am reusing the candles, but I'm swapping out the vase and I'm using this taller clear vase that I got from Kirkland's a while back, and I'm adding to it some beautiful white, I don't know if you call it pampas grass, but it's from Crate and Barrel, and I just love how it just looks so breezy and just so pretty, so bright, and I think it's a perfect look for summer. Actually, I've even used these white plumes for winter as well. I just think they're so pretty. And you'll see in my decor today, I am using pretty much the current setup I have, which is from my spring decor, but I'm rearranging things, and I love doing that. It's a great way to save money. You don't have to go out and buy new decor every season. There's no point in that. You can easily use decor from other rooms, bring it into a room you've not used it in before, and it looks like new decor again. So I love the addition of this artwork. I don't usually decorate this way with artwork on a tabletop, but I thought I would try it, and I'm surprised I don't have more artwork in my decor collection. I'm realizing that I need to kind of up my game and add more artwork into my decor. But there are a couple new pieces that I'm adding in my decor today, and if you follow my channel, you've seen my IKEA and my Studio McGee Target shop with me's. And that soapstone tray and gold knot that you just saw, those are from the Studio McGee collection, and I love them. I couldn't resist them. So you will be seeing in today's video a few new pieces from those shopping trips that I recently took. Moving on to my kitchen, and here you see the current setup, which I'm planning to use pretty much the same decor, but I'm going to be rearranging. You will see in a minute. But first, I have some cleanup to do. I'm going to put these dirty dishes in the dishwasher, clean off the countertops, and then I can get to decorating. So I'd love to hear from you guys. Do you decorate for different seasons? Are you planning to decorate for summer? And if so, what do you use for summer decor? Do you have a specific theme? I know some people will use lemons, for example, in their kitchen, which I think is such a cute way to decorate for summer. They're so bright and cheerful. I'm thinking closer to the 4th of July, I may add more of a, maybe set up a patriotic table setting, add some patriotic kitchen towels. I think that would be such a fun and cute look. But definitely leave a comment down below. Let me know what you have in mind for your decor. Share any thoughts, ideas you have. I just love reading your comments, and I do my absolute best to respond to every single one of them. And I know a lot of you enjoy reading the comments as well. It's a great way we can learn from each other and just gain ideas from one another. So definitely make use of that comment section. I'm going to take all of the decor off my countertops just so I have a blank canvas to work with. Whenever I'm decorating or redecorating, I love to just have a clear room. Again, I can just better visualize how I want to decorate things. I don't know, no one ever showed me I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me now, let me into your heart. Maybe I can start to love again and tend to my scars. Can you show me how? Can you love me with all you've done? For my kitchen decor, I like to keep things very much more on the minimal side. I don't like a lot of clutter on my countertop, so I really don't keep a lot of decor in my kitchen. I like the kitchen to be pretty much more on the functional side. But as I was thinking of how I wanted to change things up for summer, I realized that the current position I had of, say, my toaster, my knife set, my canisters was not really quite functional. So I'm changing the location of those items. So I'm moving my knife set, instead of it being to the left of the stovetop, I'm moving it to the right because we're right-handed in our household. I figured, my husband and I, that will be, more functional, more an easier way to use those utensils. And then that clear bottle, that was actually a new purchase from IKEA. I thought I would fill that with oil. I have yet to wash it though, so I'm just gonna set that next to the knife set for now, but I think that's kind of a pretty look. And then that cutting board is another new purchase that I got from IKEA, and I just love the size of that cutting board. It's massive. This white marble cutting board I got a while back from World Market. It's so pretty, and I wanted to put it with the other larger cutting board, but there just wasn't enough space back there. So I'm actually going to place it right here next to the larger cutting board, but I'm putting these canisters with my flour and sugar in front of it, and I like how it turned out. Actually, I was really excited once I had it all set up and saw how it all looked together. And then my toaster, I'm going to keep it in the same corner, but instead of having it right against the wall, I'm gonna put it kitty corner. And I don't know, to me this just had me excited about the new layout. I think it looks better, I feel, and it's definitely more functional. So now I'm swapping out those spring florals for some more florals. These I actually had in my foyer, and I decided to put them in the kitchen instead. So again, just keeping that light, airy, breezy look. So I decided to move this little mirrored caddy. I originally had it to the right of my stovetop, and I decided to put it here on this little counter space, and I think this is a much better location for it. And I did move my Alexa as well. I originally had it hidden behind the toaster, but I hate how the cord shows, so I do need to find a plant or vase, something that can disguise that cord. For my island, I'm just keeping things, again, very minimal. I'm simply adding a fruit tray. I picked up this little wired basket from IKEA. I love this little wired basket. Honestly, when I'm not using it as a fruit tray, I'm gonna use it in my decor because it's so it's so cute. I love it. And it was so affordable. I think it was under $10. I do need to get more fruit though, because I only had 4 pieces of fruit left. Moving on to my nook area, and a big change in this nook area is going to happen to 4 of the chairs you see. I decided to add slip covers to those chairs, as you are about to see in a moment. Here I wanted to show you the wicker furniture I have outdoors, because I'm going to bring that similar look indoors. I love that coastal look, especially for summertime. So I am adding these slip covers because I just love the look of slip covered chairs, and I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and it definitely gives this area more of a coastal look, but I plan to keep these up year round. They are actually from IKEA, and they were very, very reasonable, especially when I shopped other locations for slip covers. And while these are meant to go specifically with the IKEA chairs, I can't recall the name of them, but they surprisingly fit my chairs very well, almost perfectly. I did iron them, which was quite the process, so I didn't show that here. I thought I would spare you guys that. But I will leave the name of these slip covers in case any of you are interested, because I'm really impressed by these. They're pretty white color, not a stark white, but not like an off-white either. And I just love them, and I love how they've completely changed the look of my table setting. For the centerpiece, I'm swapping out that wooden tray for a basket tray that I recently picked up from Target. It is part of their Studio McGee collection, but I love this tray. It's very substantial in size, and it's just a beautiful tray, and I feel it's just a perfect summer look. So to decorate that tray, I'm adding this little vase that I got from IKEA. And this was such an awesome find, in my opinion. I think it was only $7, and it's actually more substantial. It's larger than I thought it was going to be. I ordered it online, and I was very pleased when it arrived. But I'm very indecisive here. I can't decide if I want to keep the greenery in the vase or not. Here's an image of the vase without the greenery. I wanted to ask you guys, what do you think? Should I leave the greenery, or should I take it out? I don't know. I like the more simple look without the greenery, but then the greenery adds more color. I don't know. I'd love to hear from you guys. I also added some pillows just to kind of add more color to the space and make it feel more cozy and inviting. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, but have a wonderful day. I will see you in my next one. Take care.